welcome to the third day of ECIO 2021 online. Today it will be a very busy day. We will go through many topics, starting from the morning, going deep inside dosimetry, insert, and moving then to tips and tricks, a case-based discussion with very unusual and interesting topics such as orbital and skull biopsies or TACE for HCC with arterioportal arteriovenous shunting. After the lunch symposia, we will move then into a very classical session that's one of hepatocellular carcinoma from classification to treatment. You can imagine I will be involved in that. And later on in the afternoon, again, very interesting topic, other sites for ablation, another interesting field, the future for ablation, I think. To complete the day with a basic course about renal cancer ablation. And finally, challenges in interventional oncology, moving from pediatric to brain tumors to chemosaturation, IRE, IFO, and MR-guided program.
Laura, thank you. You really make me interesting to join that whole day. Maybe just from my point of view, I think that dosimetry in Y90 therapy is a big deal. I think we moved away from just a whole liver to really specifically watching the dose, and I think this is very important for this treatment. Tips and trick cases are outstanding. They are specific cases which I have not much experience myself, but I think it's very great to look at it. And I think hepatocellular carcinoma, we really make a big step forward now, establishing IR as one of the pillars of that treatment. And I think it is very important to know all the bases. And therefore, I believe this session is also extremely important for IR. So great day, and I'm looking forward to myself as well.
Thank you, Laura, for introducing the Monday program, which, as you said, is very rich. I'm particularly looking for the focal ablations and the potential focal ablation, which is one of our greatest indications now that oncologists are sending us patients, especially for 1 or 2 lesions. All the others are controlled. 1 or 2 are not done. They send the patients. Well, that's a very big subject for us. Renal carcinoma, as usual, which is one of the best indication of ablation. And finally, IO in 2030, looking forward internationally from every different countries and side of the world, what we are expecting to happen in the next 10 years. Thank you so much.
So don't forget to stay with us for all the day. You have to be sure to ask for questions and to do comments. As we have said many times, it is online, so you don't have to be shy. Just ask and participate as much as you can. You will be very welcome.